What's up you guys? Welcome back to Way Out of Poverty. I'm Peter Ilyu Nwanwuzia, the CEO of Way Out of Poverty, also known as Rabbi Solomon. Today we are going to be talking about business registration. In this video, you will learn the purpose of business registration, who to involve and lot more, so stay on this video till the end. We have talked about why build a business plan, business strategy. Now let's move to business registration. What business name registration means. The specific meaning of business name registration is to submit your business name to your state to get it on their registry of legal business names. Registration of your business name is a good idea in two specific cases. One, if you are thinking about starting a business but you are not yet sure what legal form you want, and you have a business name, register it. You can always change your mind later, but the registration process will save your name so no one else can use it. 2. If you're forming a sole proprietorship, you should definitely register your business name with the state because sole proprietorships aren't registered in any other way. Why your business name is so important. Your business name will be on everything you put out to the public. 1. Business cards, stationery, and office forms will carry the business name. 2. All advertising and marketing materials will feature your business name. 3. The business name is on all business formation documents, such as articles of organization for an LLC or articles of incorporation for a corporation. 4. Business loans are given to a specific business, which is named in all loan documents. 5. Many companies use their business name as their domain name for the company website. 6. The business name is registered with the locality and state where the business is organized. If the business operates under another name, it must file a fictitious name, doing business as, statement. 7. The business name is on all contracts and agreements made by the company. Before I proceed, I would like to say a big thank you to all those that has been following our video, and a big thank you to our entire subscribers. Lastly, thank you to all that like this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe now below this video so you won't miss our next video, and if you are a returning subscribers, please like this video and drop your comment. Now let's continue. What if I don't register my business name? Here's what can happen if you don't register your business name. Let's say you want to use the name Captain Mark's Seafood and there is already a business in your state named Captain Max Seafood. A. The similar names can cause confusion with customers, vendors, and the public. For example, if there is a lawsuit against Captain Max, the public might think it's your business. B. If Captain Mac has trademarked his business name, he could sue your business for trademark violation. How to make sure you can use your new business name. Before you start using that name, you'll need to be sure no one else is using it by doing research on your business name. That means checking with 2 government databases. A. Your state has a registry of all businesses in the state, and B. The U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO, have a registry of all trademarked names in the U.S. It's important to check both the state and trademark databases, because your business will have an online presence. The term registering a business name may be confusing. There are really 2 different processes involved, and you will have to do both, in most cases. 1. Registration with your state and 2. Registration with your locality. Registration of your business name takes place in your state, through your state's business division, usually part of the Secretary of State. Registration is not the same as trademarking your business name. How to register your business name with your state. You can register your business name with your state, which is basically a process of reserving it so no one else can use it in your state. If you are forming an LLC, partnership, or corporation, the name registration is part of that process. You don't have to do a separate name registration. Registration of business name/company name. Registration of business name in Nigeria or incorporation of your company in Nigeria can sometimes be a nightmare due to some unnecessary bureaucracies. Normally, registering your business is done within a month, but sometimes it can take you up to 3 months to get it done. To register your business name. 1. Come up with a good and unique business name/company name and alternative name, a name. 2. Go to CAC office in your state for business name search. 3. Obtain business name search form, fill the form and submit it. 4. Check back after 2 weeks to see if the name is available. If the name is not available, maybe the name is similar to another company, you would have to come up with another name for another search to be conducted. 5. If your business name is available, you proceed to register your business name. You need 2 passports to register. 6. If you have more than one office, you are required to pay $1,000 for each of the offices. 7. An individual or 2 or more individuals can register business name and you don't need a lawyer to do that. Note, all these can also be done online without you going to their office. If you are looking forward to registering private company limited by shares, private unlimited company, public company limited by shares, public unlimited company and company limited by guarantee, it is advisable you get a lawyer to help you with the registration. Register a business name for a limited liability company, partnership, or corporation. If you are operating as a limited liability company, LLC, or corporation, you don't need to register the business name, because the process of setting up the LLC or corporation includes the business name registration. No separate business name registration is required. Registering your business name with your locality. In addition to registering your business name with your state, you may need to register your business with the city or county where your business is operating. This name registration is called a doing business as or business license. The purpose is to let people know who owns your business. How to register your business with government entities. When you are starting a business, you need to make sure your business is registered with the proper federal, state, and local agencies. Find out where and how to register, including a. Federal identification for business income taxes, payroll taxes, and registration for online payments. B. State business entity registration and sales tax permits. C. City and county business identification, licenses, and zoning permits. Register with the IRS, receive an employer ID number. Most businesses need to register with the IRS and get an employer ID number, EIN. This is a federal tax identifier for businesses, and it's necessary to have one even if you don't have employees. If your business has even one employee, you must have an employer ID. You can register online and receive your number. State filing for business entity. If you are starting a sole proprietorship, you don't need to register as a business entity with your state, but all other types of businesses must register. You register your business as the type of legal entity you want, corporation, partnership, or LLC. There are also subcategories of partnerships and LLCs. You don't register an S corporation with your state, you select this option after your corporation is in place. To file your business type with your state, you will need to go to your state's Secretary of State website and look for the business division. The process is different for each state. If you do business in more than one state, you will need to go through this registration process in each state. For the additional states, you would register as a foreign business entity, after registering with your first state as a domestic entity. Register with your state for income tax, sales tax, and employment taxes. If your company does business in a state, it is considered to have a tax presence or tax nexus in that state. Doing business in a state triggers state income tax, sales tax, excise taxes, and state employment taxes, if you have employees. Income tax. Register with your state's taxing authority, sometimes called the Revenue Department, to pay state income taxes for your business and also to collect, report, and pay income taxes for your employees. 7 U.S. states have no income tax: Washington, South Dakota, Nevada, Wyoming, Alaska, Texas, and Florida. Sales tax. If you are selling products or services that are subject to sales tax, you must apply for a tax seller's permit with your state, from your state's Department of Revenue. Most states have put this process online, so it is relatively easy to do. After you register, you'll need to set up the process for collecting, reporting, and paying state income taxes. 5 U.S. states have no statewide sales tax: New Hampshire, Delaware, Alaska, Oregon, and Montana. State employment taxes. If you have a tax nexus in a state and you have employees, you will need to register with your state's employment bureau, for several reasons. A. Collecting state income taxes from employees, if your state has income tax, and paying those taxes to the state. B. Paying state unemployment taxes and making workers' compensation fund payments. 8 Benefits of business registration. 1. Certificate of incorporation. You will be issued Certificate of Incorporation by the appropriate government agency. In Nigeria, the Federal Government of Nigeria issues through Corporate Affairs Commission, CAC, government agency empowered to register companies and issue certificates. 2. Reputation with customers. Building reputation, especially from customers and clients you've never done business before, is very difficult. Registering your business gives your potential customers confidence that they are dealing with a reputable organization. If your business is online based and you have the option of customers paying to your company account before you can ship the goods or services, having a registered business together with a corporate account give more credibility and trust. 3. Account opening in your company name. Another great benefit of registering your company name is to use it to open corporate account in your company name. Having corporate account give you more credibility and trust from your customers, bank, suppliers, and other business partners. 4. Legal liability protection. When you register your business as limited liability company, you are a different entity from your company. You also get legal liability protection. If you incorporate, you will not be held personally responsible for certain accidents and other liabilities. If you obtained loan and you defaulted in payment, your bank will not seize your property except the company asset because you are protected from such incidents. 5. Getting loans. When your company is registered, accessing loan becomes very easy compared to personal loan application. With your documents, you are going to have to prove that you are actually a business. This gives credibility and trust and also ensures confidence, and your investors or lenders will see that they are dealing with a company and will be willing to lend you money if other terms and conditions are made. 6. Continuity. I love this part so much. Before starting my business, I asked myself this question: what kind of company do I want to build? Is it a company that continues when I'm dead or company that dies with me? The answer is obvious: company that continues even when I am not around. So if you register your business, one of the benefits is that even if you are dead or become incapacitated, your business continues, especially when you have the right structure in place. 7. Hiring employees. A registered business can employ full-time employees and pay them salaries and other benefits. You have the opportunity to seek for intern, especially from National Youth Service Commission or SureP. That will not cost you a lot in terms of paying salaries and incentives, or even cost you nothing in the case of SureP. 8. Business trip to other country. Another great benefit of business registration is that you can easily obtain visa and travel to any country for business purposes. Every country always welcomes foreign investors who are interested in doing business in their country because such good investments will add value to their economy. As you can see, it's very important you register your business. As an individual, if you are yet to register your business, please go and do so. We will be talking about business marketing in our next video. Don't miss it. Thank you very much for watching our video. Follow us on this channel, so as to be notified when we release the next video. You can't afford to miss it. But before them, we will be glad if you can subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends and family on social media. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe below this video, by clicking the subscription button, so you won't miss our next video. And if you are a returning subscribers, please like this video and drop your comment. Bye for now. Love you all. See you next week Thursday.